This video is about pressure. So, the equation of the pressure is pressure equals force over area. But I think this is error. Pressure, force over area is error. My explanation is this. Assuming this is the air or gas or liquid, no? And this is the area, the rectangle, okay? Air, gas, liquid, creating a force. Gagawa siya ng force, lilikha siya ng force inside the area, no? Okay. Ito yung area. Ito ang air, gas, or liquid. Gagawa siya ngayon ng puwersa inside the area. Pero ang mangyayari, ang puwersa lalabas side by side, upward. So, walang pressure na nangyayari. So, okay, air, gas, liquid inside the area, no? Air, gas, liquid creating a force inside the area. But the happen is, the force was going out side by side, and upward. So, there is no pressure happen. So, now, my explanation is this. Water container, so volume. So, air, gas, or liquid creating a force inside the container. Okay. Air, gas, liquid inside the container creating a force. Assuming this is a sealed container, no? Kunwari, saradong-sarado ito. So ngayon, gagawa ng puwersa yung air or gas or liquid sa loob ng pitcher. So, the force will cannot come out, no? Hindi makakalabas ang puwersa sa loob ng selyadong container. So, mayroong pressure na nangyayari, no? The air, gas, liquid creating a force inside the sealed container. So, the force will never come out. So, there is the pressure happen. Okay. So, the atmospheric pressure, 14 psi or 14 pounds per square inch. So again, I think this is error. So, my theory equation is pressure equals force over volume. Because volume, not area. Okay. The atmospheric pressure is 14.7 psi or 14.7 pounds per cubic inch, no? Because volume, not area. So, the Earth, it is inside the atmosphere. Ang mundo ay nasa loob ng atmosphere. So, kaya volume, hindi area. Again, the Earth is inside the atmosphere. So, volume, not area. So, another example is the liquefied petroleum gas inside the tank. So, there is the pressure. The tank is volume, not area. So, another example is the water is inside the pipe. So, inside the pipe, the water is creating a force. So, there is a volume. So, that's all. And I hope you understand. Thank you so much.